We go to other news now. Caught between a rock and a hard place. That's how residents of St. Jago Hills in St. Catherine feel after being forced to truck water for almost 6 months. The reason? Their developer disconnected their water. Jamaica Maitland explains.
Tucked tight away in rural St. Catherine, St. Jago Hills is a small residential community. For residents here, they were already feeling the effects of water restrictions.
It's very expensive, so you have to try just using like water to, what you call, wash up. Yeah. So we have to make use of every little water. We can't waste anything. We don't normally do anyhow.
Residents say developer Island Homes disconnected their water in December.
He said, one, the rate that was being charged was too low and OUR didn't approve it. And two, he's saying that some people owe water rate and have not paid up. So as a result of that, we have no water at all.
Developer at Island Homes, Michael Lake, says it's costly to provide water in the area. He says he's awaiting a response from the Office of Utilities Regulation for a rate review to provide the commodity at a more sustainable cost.
We're held at ransom, if you want to call it, by OUR, and all we really want is that the OUR delivers a rate that someone, anybody, can operate the system and make a living out of it.
But what happens to the paying customers?
After experiencing a number of years of losses, the reality is I don't have any more money to subsidize the system.
And aside from water, the residents say they feel bamboozled by the developer.
So they have the big bright name what's welcome to St. Jago is like say boy we live in a nice place up there.
The development was marketed as a gated community with offices to collect fees and facilities to provide services. All run down. The residents want the community to be handed over to the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation, but that too is another issue.
When I asked the parish council what period of time, the parish council says is when the developer is ready to hand over. So if the developer never decides to hand over, we'll be in this predicament.
They worry in cases of emergency. The road network is poor and the area poorly lit. However, lots are still being sold here.
If you call the police, you have to try to direct them which way to drive. Because if them drive from that side, they always get stuck in a big hole in the road on this.
Mayor of Spanish Town Norman Scott says his hands are tied. We asked the developer about this.
It's not uncommon for people to avoid problems. This is a problem, and unfortunately the customers are suffering out of it, and the problem is a rate.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.